Alright, let's go to our first example of using the chain rule. Let's differentiate y equals x squared plus 3x plus 11 all to the 15th power with respect to x. Okay, this is a composite function. How can we tell? If we were going to evaluate this function at a particular x value, let's say we were going to figure out what y is when x is 2. We would first figure out what is x 2 squared plus 3 times 2 plus 11. We'd first really try to do that base, and then after we got that answer, then we would raise it to the 15th power. So there's a function inside a function. So this is a composite function. So our inner function is x squared plus 3x plus 11. That's the one we do first. Let's go ahead and call that inner function u. So then we can take our original definition, y equals x squared plus 3x plus 11 to the 15th power, and replace x squared plus 3x plus 11, our inner function, with just the letter u. And that means that our outer function is u to the 15th. We have that y equals u to the 15th. So now what we're going to do is we're going to compute du dx. Okay, from our inner function, we have u equals this function of x, so du dx is 2x plus 1. And then we're also going to come down here to our outer function. We have y equals u to the 15th, and we're going to compute dy du. And this is 15u to the 14th power. Okay, so what do? We wrote our inner function, x squared plus 3x plus 11, that equals u. Okay, we just set that equal to u, and then we computed du dx, which is 2x plus 3. This is the derivative of the inner function. And then we wrote our outer function. We replaced the inner function with u, so we got y equals u to the 15th. And then we computed dy du, which is 15u to the 14th. This is the derivative of the outer function. So now dy dx equals dy du times du dx. This is the chain rule. So what I'm going to do is first substitute in dy du, which is 15u to the 14th, and we still have this times du dx. It might seem silly to do this in 2 steps, but I'll tell you why. Because right now we have 15 times u to the 14th times du dx. Now u is this variable that we introduced. And so our answer should not have any u's in it at all. It should not say 15u to the 14th. What we need to do is go back substitute the fact that u equals x squared plus 3x plus 11. So at the same time we substitute in du dx, we also substitute in what the value of u is. So we get 15 times x squared plus 3x plus 11 to the 14th power. We substituted in that value of u, and we also put in du dx, which is 2x plus 3.